Honda has reintroduced the iconic GB name to Europe with the launch of the GB350S, a stylish and versatile roadster designed for riders with an A2 license. Powered by a characterful 348cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, the GBS combines classic design with modern technology for a thrilling yet accessible ride. The heart of the GB350S is its long-stroke engine that delivers 20 brake horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 29 Nm of torque at 3,000 RPM, mated to a 5-speed gearbox, perfect for city commuting and weekend cruises. The engine is tuned to provide a soulful pulse with minimal vibration, enhanced by an assist and slipper clutch for smooth gear changes. For added peace of mind, Honda's selectable torque control helps manage rear-wheel traction. Built with a low seat height of 800 mm and a manageable 178 kg curb weight, the GB350S offers effortless handling. Its 41 mm telescopic forks, twin rear shocks provide a stable and responsive ride, while the classic steel semi-double cradle frame delivers that unmistakable Honda Roadster feel. A single 310 mm front disc is paired with a newly designed, highly rigid twin-piston caliper, providing effective braking performance. The rear brake features a 240 mm disc operated by a single piston caliper, along with dual-channel ABS. The wheels on the GBS are both functional and elegant, with 14-spoke cast aluminum rims that add a modern touch to the bike's classic aesthetic. The bike is equipped with Metzeler Tourance Next tires with 19-inch front and 17-inch rear rims. The LED lighting and analog speedometer with a digital gear indicator add a modern touch to its timeless style. The GB350S is also highly customizable, with a wide range of genuine Honda accessories, from stylish saddlebags to comfort-enhancing options like heated grips and long visors. Whether you're new to motorcycling or looking for a bike that combines nostalgic charm with modern reliability, the GB350S is an exciting new option.